Hey guys, for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing something a little bit different. I was thinking about all the Dollar Tree finds for fall this year and how many different videos I had to do or hauls that I had to do to share everything that I found. So I thought that I would compile them kind of into one video. Still kind of hard. There could be another video to this, but if you just need all things fall today, this is the video for you. So let's get started and I'll show you guys all of my favorites.
Them in this format as well, which also some of my favorites. Oh, another thing that I do with these advent calendars, they stick to the lunch bags so well. You get the PSL, look at that, and they come off so easily. Again, a little dab of glue stick and into your journals, and they stick so well. So super cute image on that one. Here is this one with the truck, the gorgeous pumpkins, and they'll also work in a care package as well if you want to go this route. This one, give thanks, and then a little fox, so cute, or all like the woodland animals. I love everything about it. I love the trim that they did here, and then the font. I got both of them, but you already know this one's my favorite of the two. Very similar last year. Again, if not the same exact product. The question is the wording new? You know, that's that kind of thing. So on this one, we've got the apple orchard and pumpkin pie, and then we have more of a pumpkin spice latte coffee going on here for a while. But these are like new prints, I believe. This one is the best in my opinion. I'm just gonna show them. I can't stop staring at them through the screen. Okay. I have so many of this guy already. He's not new, he's been out for a couple years, but this is one item that should come back every single year. And I did a DIY where I painted him white and the base black. Very basic, but of course you could definitely flare it up. You could even do him white and then outline a little bit and like a thin black line, which would be really cute. You could add words if you wanted to kind of do that like Ray Dunn effect. That's gonna indicate Halloween, and that's gonna mean when Halloween's over, purple's gone. So get it while you can. So in this pack, we're getting some witch accessories together. And you weren't looking, I'd be slipping stickers into your cart. At least that's what I found. This one with one large pick, and this one is $1.25, but in comparison to like let's say Hobby Lobby, they're about $3.99 a pick. And here she is in all her glory. So if you feel like you missed out on picking it up last year or whatever the deal was, this little card right here, chef's kiss. And then here is this little front porch. They're perfection. This one, it's all glitter. Just came back. I remember this one. There's lots of different places, by the way, in the card aisle where they put Halloween stuff. So like look in other spots as well. This one, love like the different cutout shape. Oh, no, it goes like this. To a haunted house. I have to get it. It's always adorable. And as you can see, all the envelopes are gonna be orange. This up. So cute. Like that's the whole house. Makes me want to watch Haunted Mansion. And then another one of my favorites. And then this one was out last year, but I'm so glad they came back because last year they nailed it. This one was out as well. Also another one that came back. Another girly one, another witch. I love that she's trick-or-treating. And he's so cute. I love the black trim. And then there's this. Bringing this up is because I was trying to limit myself on how many cards I was getting because I just knew I was gonna hold up the line. So this one's so pretty, kind of has a vintage vibe. Very, very pretty. Love that. Must earn. They did a lot of vintage looking cards last year. This was one of them. Was also out last year as well. You could frame this. This could be like a frame decor for fall. There's this one, the little cat in the window. Hold up the line, and guess what? I held up the line. And it just, it freaks me out, I'm not gonna lie. If you ever see me in Dollar Tree and I look constipated, I'm not. I'm freaking out internally. So then here's this one, which this one's new. I do not remember this one being out last year. I love the whole band of skeletons. I thought that was super cute. This one. There's glitter, like all the white bits, so the ghost and the trim is dusted in glitter. Like good basics. Being the little ghost coming out of the haunted house, very much giving me Casper. Graced us with their presence at Dollar Tree a couple years back, and here they are yet again. So we've got the orange corn and the yellow corn, and by the way, I've compared these to Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby sells some that are very similar to this, but obviously not $1.25. So these are amazing. You can style these a ton of different ways, and also lights up. So it's battery operated. His little eyes glow. Run to get these, put these on your list because they are so cute. They are faux corn decor. These are the 2 colors that are out, and it's just so pretty. I thought there was a 3rd color, but I don't know if I'm getting that wrong, but they're just beaded and absolutely beautiful. There's quite a bit of weight to them, which they had other colors as well. I believe they had like the white leaf. I don't know why I don't have that one with me, or the green one. So I believe I'm missing a yellow pumpkin, maybe. A little galvanized. It looks like you can kind of hang it and put little notes and mail into it. I don't know that it's big enough to hold very much, or if it's just like to look like mail, but the sizing is just there for a tier tray, just FYI. And they even gave us little beads. Got some Halloween goodies. This is a lantern, LED lantern, and I only found it in this color, but I feel like my store just looks like it's struggling to put some stuff out. I don't know, but needs some batteries, needs AAA batteries, so I need to get that in there. I imagine they probably also make this in black. There's nothing that I want to do different to this little truck. I love the pumpkins in the back and the sunflower, darling. But like, listen, we have it. So here's this truck, super cute. Next time you're in Dollar Tree, just pick it up. Just try it. You just never know. Pick up these little sticker puzzles. But I got three of these. I do not think I got these in the last trip, so I got 3 of them because I just really liked them. Little cat, super cute, and a pile of pumpkins. It says Halloween. That's adorable. And then I found this one. This one I actually hauled last year, very vintage. It's the cat up again, and then this one's new. The black cat, again on a black chair and a pumpkin. Love that. This one is stunning because the whole purple is glitter. This one says it's Halloween. Look at this cat. And I picked up this cute little purple one. There's this beautiful card with the orange foil. I love the white stars on this. Like, that's really what sold me. The Dead style, but I have not seen them in the Halloween version or the fall version. So I'm wondering, are we gonna get that because they were so good? They did like a little ghost, you know, from Beetlejuice when she's writing her jumping off the bridge note. But here's the orange pumpkin. I'm living for these pumpkins. And let me tell you, I had to get as many as I could, you know, my paws could grasp. And it's this little cat. It's kind of, the cat, it's giving me like henna. It's an owl. But what? Well, this is a new one. As a matter of fact, there were only 2 left of this one, so it definitely looked like this one had been pretty picked up yet, obviously until now, but super cute. It's definitely giving me like vintage vibes. Just something about the lettering and the illustration of the ghost. I don't know what it is about it, but you have to see this in person because it has like a really pretty like texture to it, and it's just so vintage looking. I mean, all the bats, the crescent moon, the witch's hat. But here's this one. Like, need I say more? Happy Thanksgiving. I love this one too. Just the illustration's really cute. I love the pies. Listen. I fully expect everyone to go get this card because it's just so good. I mentioned that they did these for fall and Halloween, so here's a Halloween version. It is a ghost and a black cat. I already have multiples of these, but you know what? They're just one of those items where I can honestly, like, every year collect like another set. One. I back through them. Home is where the haunt is. Stop by for a spell. Which way to the candy? So Halloween magic is in the air. Another card that next time you stop in at Dollar Tree, pop in and just look at it because it's so pretty. This one again as well. It's a favorite of mine. I have not hauled for you guys yet. It's pretty simple, but I like it. I've picked this one up before. I really like it. If I picked up last year, but this is the first time I'm hauling it this year. I just love the whole scene. It's giving me Vermont for sure. I actually think it's so adorable. I love that she has a little tulle skirt and then her veil, and then she has like the bow on her chest, and then he has the top hat. Like, what? For this moment, these boxes, I adore them. I love just, they've been coming out every single year. It's real. So you can definitely fill this up with gumballs. It's got the little rotator, so it's definitely going to, yeah, like, in multiple sizes. I think these are like the medium. They sell one big spider fur in a 1-pack. The Halloween version, brand new. And then we've got this little book. So this is a trick or treat sticker by number activity set. And of course, you know, it doesn't just have to be for the kids. If you're junk journaling, you might like some of the images, or even like the stickers would be great. So there's that. And then I found a spooky sticker face. I love getting these for my niece. They're so funny because they give you a blank face and then you go to the stickers and then you just like put whatever eyes, whatever nose, whatever mouth, and then you just create silly little faces, but Halloween edition. What? That's crazy to me. And then I found just a good old coloring book, which, by the way, my Dollar Tree had a lot to choose from. I just went with one on this trip, but comment or thumbs up if you just need me to haul all of them, and I will. I've never seen Dollar Tree do anything like this where they even added like a little like galvanized charm. Just have the good candy.